Hello, good morning. Today I'm here to show you what is this package. Actually, it reached to me after a month, I think so, after ordering. That's a hammock tarp, and it normally used to put in top of the hammock when you put your hammock between trees, and it can cover you from rain. But this is a little bit different because you can use it separately from hammock and use it as a tent, which I was looking for this product long time. I couldn't have a chance to have a hand on that, and finally it reached to me, I think 3 days ago. And today's weekend, we came to the camping spot and we tried to test it today and show it to you. Fortunately, I bring my pegs as well. It comes with pegs and rope as well, but I cannot trust these kind of pegs inside the packages. I just brought the new pegs because this ground here is pretty hard and it's difficult to put pegs here, and I lost many pegs in this ground actually last time. So I bought this type of pegs which has a screw and it can go easily in any hard ground, and it has a nice leverage for hand, so you can just put it on the ground and push it in with no problem at all. Another good thing is it has a red color, so in a green area easily can be recognized and you don't lose it. So actually I forget how much I bought it. I think about $10 to $12 if I'm not wrong, 6 of them. 10 came as a 500 baht. If you convert to US dollar, is below $20. The only things mentioned in AliExpress, I just buy normally from AliExpress because you can find many things there. It just mentioned the size 10 feet by 10 feet, 9.98, 9.8, 9.9, something like that. So I can say 3 meter by 3 meter, but I don't know what's the meaning of 3 meter. Is it include the door or not? And inside their website, actually inside website, the description, they just said the material of this tent, this tarp tent, is 190T waterproof, silver coated fabric, is anti-UV, water resistant and waterproof. I don't know which one is true, is it water resistant or waterproof actually. Package coming with the 1 fly sheet, 1 carry bag, 6 pegs and 6 ropes. I will put it there. I brought also the measuring tape to show you actually how good it is and how easy you can install it. So stay with me for installation, and after that I just put the measuring and I try to just make it quite interesting for you, not be too boring video. Okay, take care. Normally you have a line in top of your hammock for your mosquito net or fly sheet, so you can just put the on a higher space, actually higher location. But for this situation actually you don't need to bring your hammock, and I'll let you know what is the real sizing of this one. So it's 4 feet 120 centimeter height, 150 centimeter wide, and it exactly 300 centimeter the length of it. So it looks good. I love the khaki color. It has a 3 or 4 different color: a light green, dark green, khaki, and very light gray. But I prefer to have this one actually with me. It has a door here so you can tighten, same as the other side, and that's ample space inside actually. It's I hope these things have a good ceiling stitches all over the place. It has a velcro for door, but it's very comfortable actually, as a space is very spacious. And for those who wants to use it for hot tent, you easily can modify this area for your stove. Even for cooking, easily you can do it, and you can just put something like a stove jack in the side, and then you are good to go. Just put your stove here, down here, install it, your stove, and then your pipe as well going inside the stack pipe, and it will be perfect. Actually, the sizing, I didn't expect to have this much room here. I can say 1% super comfortable can stay inside, and you can put your gear somewhere there, and your sleeping pads, sleeping bags here. Also for 2% is pretty big actually. It's good, big enough. If you can just make this one a bit, make it wider. Oh, hello. A bit, make it a bit wider so you can have a better space here inside. I like everything actually about this, and the price is cheap, below 20 bucks. It's perfect. Even in a hot area, you can just open both side door for good ventilation, and maybe you can put a mosquito net inside and just enjoy it. Quite simple, easy to set up, and yep, more or less that's it. Hope you like it. I'll put where I purchased it from, but don't forget, actually it take quite long time. I don't know, is it because of the corona situation or something else. It's supposed to be with me about 2 weeks. Took about 4 weeks so far, and finally reached to me from AliExpress, and I have a good idea how to use it even for bike packing. Hopefully near future I modify this section to make a stove jack coming out, put the stove inside. It will be very comfortable, I'm 100% sure. Especially just need 2-3, you might need just a ground sheet, just put underneath and then have fun. The weight of this thing is 500 grams only, half a kilo, or maybe less, around 1 pound. So it's perfect for backpacking, bike packing, and I like it so far. I have to test it more, and I put the videos here and there. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Bye.